So doing this, because I'm not having any luck on the steeper parts up there, doing this helps because I can get grip on my bottom, but my butt is going into the humps and it's slowing me down. So that's my little tip. And you kind of want to do it against trees if you can. So, but that really helps when your butt hits the bumps. So this one's gonna be the tricky one. Tricky. There's a tree there. I go to that tree. Definitely want to be careful. Like, this is just mainly ice. So, you know, definitely having issues getting down the hill. Should stay down below. Heavy pack doesn't help. But figure I'll turn the camera on at least to show you how I'm doing that. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna put myself in front of this big tree, you know, where it's in front of me, because if I do get to sliding, I could stop myself on it a lot quicker than going down a big hill, even though it's probably all right. All right, I'm gonna try to stand. Oh, okay. Good thing I'm wearing layers. That one's not doing a whole lot of talking. I like all the ice though. Still pretty cool. Nice little climb to get back up. Okay. Yeah. Big boulders in that creek. I make fun of people who say creek so much that I've been saying it. That's what I get. That's pretty cool though, all that ice. I always love that. Ice crystals. Alrighty folks, got the amazing hallway here. Gonna go up it. Hopefully no coy wolves are waiting for me. It is solid. Okay, needed to adjust my camera so I can put both hands on the bluffage here. Alright.
Tried to do it without touching it. Ha!
You did pretty good.
I know, you got it on. I beat you and I didn't even slip like you did.
Oh, Michelleage. Always making fun of Shawnage.
Well, somebody's got to.
Yep.
My job.
This is going to be a little different. That's
Hey,
not
come on.
okay. All right, lost a cleat here.
My legs don't bend like they used to. Really? How to use my hands on that one.
Okay, we made it.
No, we haven't.
Well,
I haven't.
almost.
You made it.
I had technical difficulty. My tire came off its rim. Off its rim. We had to change the flat.
Which way did you go?
up this. Right here.
Okay.
I figured that was the safest way. Are you? Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it's pretty cool up here. Way down looks a whole lot easier. Trees to fall into. It's hanging from a thread. Alright folks, this is another waterfall area. It's not really running that well, but it's an area I haven't been to in a long time. I always just kind of skip this area because we get here late or, you know, or whatever. But it's really pretty when it's really running. Really.
It won't be long, that'll be a natural bridge.
Oh yeah, it's all leaking.
Yeah, you see.
Heck, it may be one now.
Think about it. Freezing and thawing is what it needs
Oh yeah.
to make it a bridge.
Yep, this would be a natural bridge before too long. It's a cool area though. It's a cool area. Nice little shelter. Just a pretty area. Kind of the end of the bluff, you know, and then you go up top. So, definitely pretty cool. Nice little ice sticklage. But yeah, pretty sweet. All that, I love all that. All the ice balls and ice crystals, all wrapped around roots. It's cool. Alrighty, folks. Still walking. Now we're kind of walking back. It's about 4:15. Our bellies are growling, telling us we got to go get some food. Pretty fun little hike. We've gone about 1.3 miles, probably about 2 miles total, which ain't bad for a late start in the snow.
It's like, I think it's this trail.
Alrighty, picnic table. These were put up by horse riders, unofficially. They weren't supposed to, but we were just kind of talking, you know, and there's a high line there. And it's like, you know, it's really not, yeah, I mean, don't make it a practice to create new trails, you know, and put picnic tables up. But people are gonna come back here regardless. There's beautiful waterfalls, you know. They're gonna do it. I know some of you disagree with that, but they're gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it. So, you know, I'm gonna definitely, I go off trail a lot. You know, I watch my step. I really try to, you know, think about nature when I do it. I don't do it in nature preserves, but I'm still gonna do it. And a lot of people who are complaining about people doing it also do it, but they just think they're all, you know, holier than thou, and they could do it, no one else can't. And that's not the way the world works. Yep. We're all the same species. That is beautiful. So, I kind of like the picnic tables and the horse high line there, even though I'm not a horse rider. Just for the simple fact that...
It's a good place to hang my bicycle at.
Yeah. Yeah, if I was on a mountain bike, I'd hang my bike up on there. You know, it's not legal, so it's not like I'd be breaking any law as much as they are. But you know, if I was on a horse getting vibrated all day long, you know, feeling like my bones are gonna slide off me, it'd be nice to stop and sit at the picnic table, tie the horse up. Oh yeah, that sun feels good for what it's worth. Almost back to the El Truco. we still have to go up. But that's the best part, the elevation. That's what Michelle loves the most.
No.
Boy, I tell you what, you know what would be hard?
You just lied on camera.
You know what would be hard right now? To army crawl that horseshoe bluff.
I'm not going to army crawl anything like
I'd be sliding down.
You were sliding down in the dry.
Yeah, yeah. But I edited that video today. I got 3 videos out of it.
Oh, wow.
And I was having flashbacks. Alrighty, folks. Made it back to the truck. 1.9 miles. And it was a pretty good hike.
It went in your pocket. Seriously, it went in your pocket.
It did go in my pocket. And it's not snowball snow.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put her in snow. All right. Till next time. Michelle, see you on the trail.